Hello and welcome to week 7. I wanted to come on just to tell you what a great job you've been doing in this course. I feel like the writing has improved and your comments and discussions have been very interesting and just kudos to you for all the hard work. I know it's not easy when you have a full course of activities on your plate and family and just so many things that we do. So I want to just commend you for that and to let you know too, should you ever want prayer, please email me. We can speak by phone, be happy to pray for you or to give you any advice on possible next steps within your public relations career. So this week, week 7, I do have a lecture posted, another lecture, and it was actually recorded from an earlier time that I taught this course, but it's very pertinent, so please listen to it. The only thing that is a little off is when I speak of dates, so just disregard those. But anyway, the lecture is really valid, so I hope you will listen to that and enjoy it. And I also wanted to give you a bit of current information too. So this week you are listening to the lecture, you're doing a reflective essay, and we're beginning to work on a draft of a speech that you write and view as so you're writing it as if you are President Ellis delivering a speech to the student body. And to help with that, I have posted the 2017 President's State of the University speech so that you have that as guidance to help you with it. We're discussing oral presentation, so I have some examples from TED Talks. You have a brief reflective essay. The draft of the speech can really be like a bulleted list or outline of what you want to say. And it doesn't have to be just the state of the university like the example. It could be something you're announcing, some achievement, something that's gone on for CBU. It's all fictitious, but it gives you an idea. So the draft is actually just a kind of a bulleted list or short outline. We have a little bit of information on issues in crisis management just as a reference for you. It's not that you have to do much with that. I just like to include it to give you kind of information that is pertinent to the field, and it's good writing that was used within this. I have a devotional and an example of the critical assignment so that you can take a look and feel comfortable as to what the critical assignment is. So this is an example that was done very well in a previous class. When you reach week 7, it's time to really be looking at week 8 as well. So I'm going to take you there so that you can see week 8, what you will be doing. And I've also included the President's 2017 State of the University because I believe the one included in the class here is the 16 one. So you will be working on finishing up your work during week 8. There is a discussion board, a brief final, only 500 words, and you have some articles to read on PR and 3 concepts that you're writing about from the course and how they resonated with you. Again, an example of the critical assignment. And then you will be doing your critical assignment and submitting it through TaskStream. And if you need any help with that, please do reach out to me. So we're in the final stretch and you have all done very well and you're slated to finish strong, and I'm here to help you as needed. So do feel free to reach out to me. I've been sending you some emails about events coming up. Also let me know if you're interested in any of those. Thank you and have a great day.